Hello Librans, welcome to my channel Surabhi, and this is the reading for you for the first 10 days of July. And as you know, they are all general readings. They may or may not resonate with each and every one of you. They may be your energies of the person or the situation you are dealing with, or maybe the mix of both. So please feel free to swap the characters according to your situation. And if this reading does not resonate with you, please check your moon sign and the name sign. For personal readings, the details are given in the description box below. So let's see what's in store for Librans. So let's see what are the messages from this deck for Librans. Okay. Guidance from the angels. Let's see how many cards. There were too many, I'll just take one card. Guidance from the angels. Message from the universe for Librans. So Librans, there is a situation in your life which is requiring an infinite amount of strength for you to deal with. You are dealing with a certain situation with a lot of perseverance, with a lot of strength, lot of dignity, and it's been a long time that you are dealing with it. It is requiring an infinite amount of strength of your, a lot of endurance on your part to deal with this situation, whatever this situation is. It's been quite tough. There'll be you, it was an obstacle which you been trying to overcome since a long time. And what I'm feeling here is that it is one situation. It is a single situation which is requiring a lot of perseverance on your part, a lot of endurance on your path to cross this obstacle. sort of testing your patience. Can be that. And I think you have still not crossed this hurdle or this obstacle, whatever this is in your life, which is taxing your patience or taxing your strength. Though you are doing it beautifully, you are doing it in a very, very dignified way, you are doing it beautifully, but you are still dealing with it. You have not, not conquered it. You have not won over this obstacle. It's still there in your life. And whatever this situation is which you are dealing with, you are very, very closed off, keeping things to yourself, very, very closed off. Though you are very emotional, but you really don't know how to handle those emotions or how to deal with them, what to do about them. You are very closed off in a situation. You're dealing with a certain situation, and maybe because of this reason that you are very, very closed off, holding things close to your heart, not sharing things, you're not sharing anything with anyone. You're keeping things under your control, basically trying to keep things under your control because you're very closed off. And maybe that is the way that you keep yourself or under control, by being closed off. That is how you control yourself, or that is how you keep the situation under the control, perhaps. That is how you keep the situation under the control, perhaps, by keeping things to yourself, not saying much. This is how you keep the situation under the control, perhaps, or yourself under control. And here with the Queen of Cups, I see that as if you are contemplating and thinking of, there is a situation which requires, which you are emotional about, because here it is being followed by the Ace of Cups. So definitely there is a situation in your life about which you are contemplating or thinking as to what to do about of this emotional aspect of yours. What to do with your emotions. It's coming off as if what to do with your emotions. Maybe this, keeping these emotions to yourself, is requiring a lot of strength. It can be that. Or maybe you are dealing with something which requires a lot of strength in your life and taxing you, and now this is, you feel it's better to keep things to yourself. And as far as your emotions are concerned, you are just not sure as to what to do about them. Should you offer them, or shouldn't you or you shouldn't offer them? The emotional aspect is something which you are thinking about, which wants to come out, but you are resisting it, just thinking as to what to do. And here with the Ace of Cups, there is definitely some new emotional beginning over here. Something new is definitely here which is going to give you an emotional beginning. and emotional satisfaction. Maybe you take a decision of opening up emotionally. Maybe you decide to offer your cup of love to the other person, or somebody is offering it to you. But definitely there is an emotional new beginning over here. That's what I'm trying to say. And here with the 9 of Swords and the 10 of Cups, there is definitely something in your life which is troubling you and causing you sleepless nights. You are very, very anxious about a situation. Perhaps it is this situation which is requiring a lot of strength to deal with. But with the 10 of Cups, there is emotional fulfillment over here. There is happiness over here. This is a commitment. Maybe making this because you are deciding as to should I open up or not, and maybe since you are deciding to open up, that itself is causing you a lot of anxiety, lot of tension. Maybe there is this tension and anxiety is because of a situation which you are dealing with over here, and which has caused you to be closed off, and now opening up is a reason for this anxiety. But I think you will open up. There is some emotional new beginning, definitely, which is leading to this happiness and commitment. This is something solid, this is something stable. But something is definitely troubling you, which is causing you a lot of anxiety. With the 4 of Cups over here and with the Devil, see, there is something in your vicinity. I think this came up in the last reading or the last to last reading also. Universe is giving you something which you are not accepting. You are very, very reluctant in accepting this offer, whatever it is, because of some reason, and over here this reason seems to be this Devil. So what I feel here is that this Devil means that there is something, and this is the reason for this anxiety, and this is strength also. And these two are major arcana. So basically, and this is something very, very significant. And as far as this card is concerned, it means a lot of anxiety, even sort of anxiety neurosis, depression, overthinking, overanalyzing, whatever. It will be different for different people, definitely. But now what I see here is that since you are okay, see, since you are closed off, you are definitely dealing with something which is costing you a lot on your part, and that is why you are closed off. And here you are contemplating as to should I open up or not, what to do about my emotions. And here comes in a new emotional beginning, and this is causing a lot of anxiety also for you, perhaps. Maybe this opening up is causing a lot of anxiety, and here it is still being followed by this commitment. One more thing is coming is that since you are not you are not accepting this offer, whatever this offer is in your vicinity, you are not accepting it, it is because of this obsessive behavior or this negative mindset or this controlling energy of a person or a situation in your life. And it is this negative energy in your life which is as dark as it seems in this card. And here this is a couple over here which is chained down. So basically it is talking about a relationship which is not good, which is a source of this anxiety, which is a source of this tension. And that is why you are not accepting anything else. You are very reluctant in moving forward towards anything new or anything else, because it causes a lot of anxiety. This person or this situation is very, very controlling, coming from a very negative mindset. And either it can be you, it can be you because of your own past experiences. Maybe you've had certain experiences in the past that you yourself have become like this. You have that negative thinking sort of. Or it is talking about it can be jealousy, it can be overthinking, it can be obsession, it can be a very, very controlled behavior of a person, it can be abuse, it can be any damn thing. Okay, so maybe here associated with this card, it can be some sort of an abuse which is going on in your life because to some because of, and that is why and it is this situation which is really taxing in your life, and you're dealing it with a very since a infinite number of years, perhaps still not able to overcome it. And you're dealing it with a lot of patience and perseverance, and that is why you are so closed off. And that is why you are not accepting anything in your vicinity, or anything new or anything different which is being offered by the universe to you. It is because of this negative mindset, either of yours or of a situation or a person in your vicinity who is very, very controlling, and you are sort of not allowed to do or not able to do anything you want yourself. And because you don't want to take that tension, because you're already very tense, that is why you prefer to be closed off. There is definitely somebody very, very negative in your life over here, but the plus point which is coming up is it is immediately being followed by the Chariot. So what I feel here is, since there are with the Ace of Cups, the Ten of Cups, and with the Chariot, what I feel here is that things will get going. You are, whatever the situation here is, you will try to balance the pros and cons, and this is action basically. You will take some action, and movement forward will be there in this direction towards emotional fulfillment. That's what I feel. You will try to balance this black and white in your life, and you will perhaps weigh the pros and cons of this situation which is negative and this situation which is leading to emotional fulfillment. Perhaps this is what you are balancing over here, and you decide to make a move forward, and things start fast with the Chariot moves fast. Okay, so you weigh all the pros and cons perhaps, and then you decide to move forward, because movement is definitely there. There is emotional fulfillment, there is commitment, there is happiness over here. There is happiness over here with the Ten of Clubs over here. It is again a responsibility or a burden. So maybe this is, and this is even just coming, even it is crossing your nose. That's what I said. It is something which is taxing you a lot. Maybe it is a responsibility which you are carrying, and it is becoming a burden, and you're just carrying it because it is your responsibility to carry it. You can't get away with it. You can't leave it. It can be that. Because it's your responsibility. One more thing which is coming to my mind, so I'll just put it there, that this anxiety, this is something which is causing you emotional fulfillment and you want to move forward towards it. And as I've all told you that maybe this opening up is causing a lot of anxiety, but since the way these cards are showing up, and since this is the responsibility thing which is coming up, so it can be that the family front is the cause of your anxiety. Somebody in the family is very, very controlling. Maybe there is somebody in the family who is very, very controlling, and the environment is very toxic and negative, which causes a lot of tension and anxiety to you. For some of you, it can be there. And that is why, see, if it comes off like this, that this is the reason of your anxiety, this relationship is the reason for the anxiety, though it may seem very good from outside, and that is the reason that you are very reluctant in accepting anything new which is coming in your life, because with the devil you don't have the guts to do so, because you are not allowed to do so, because you know you won't be able to do so, whatever it is. But with the chariot, things will get going, things will move forward. Let me see what is the guidance from the angels. Number 18 or number 9 may be of some significance for you. Intuition and insight. Your intuitive abilities are very accurate right now, so you can trust your guidance to lead you in the right direction. Follow your own insights over the advice of others, and don't allow fear or worry to guide your way. It may be best to keep your secrets to yourself for now. Okay, so just be in touch with your intuition. Do whatever you feel is right, whatever your intuition says it's right. And maybe this closing off is the right decision for you. Maybe you are closed off, you're contemplating on your own, you're not talking to anyone over here, you are dealing with this anxiety all alone. You are here also, you're sitting here all alone. So perhaps this is the right thing to do. This is not the right time for you, perhaps, to share your tensions or anxieties or whatever it is. Number 21 or number 3 may be of some significance for you. Choose love. You always have a choice. Make yours with love. So basically, whatever the situation is in your life, you should always choose love. Or if you have to make a decision, you should always try to take a decision from a positive mindset and from an aspect which involves these positive vibes of love. So you just need to choose love over anything, whatever this is in your life. Choose love or choose with love, whatever it is, whatever it means for you in this situation, Librans. But there is a very toxic situation in your life which you need to deal with, or you are still dealing with. Perhaps it is because it is a responsibility. Maybe you are in a committed relationship with this person because it's coming as a family card. Maybe you are married to this person. It will be different for different people, but yes, definitely this new beginning is going to materialize. So that's all I have for you. Hope it helps, and please subscribe to my channel if you like what I do. Thank you.